Do you look forward of making your own espresso, latte, or cappuccino? One of the many models of coffee makers is the Tassimo. It is a consumer coffee machine using the method of brewing, mix 1 cup serving. It was first released in France in 2004 and is now obtainable in Switzerland, Spain, United Kingdom, Germany, America, Canada, and Austria. There are 3 various versions of Tassimo, namely Tassimo Intermediate, the Tassimo Suprema, and finally, the one that comes in Twilight Titanium, the Tassimo Premium. All of this make a drink from the Tassimo tea discs and may brew succeeding drinks instantly. All of these models use one-touch brew controls and are programmable according to people's taste preference. All devices have similar attributes. Nevertheless, the intermediate and supreme models are not appropriate for use above altitudes of 6,500 feet. For more information about Tassimo Coffee Maker, visit www.tassimobrew.com.